Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite girl, Ocube. Today's tutorial is a transformation v Gele on this beautiful model from this to this. I'll be teaching you on how I achieve this beautiful Gele. It's a V-shaped Gele, so stay tuned and follow up. So I'm starting off by placing the hair tie on the model's head. So then I form 4 plaits and cross it. Instead of it to be straight round on her forehead, it will be crossed to the other aspect of her ear. So I'll place one part to cover her ear, then the other above her ear. So now that I have done that, I'll take this other part of the hair tie that is short to the left and drag it out. Then I'll use it to form under 4 plates and lay it over and slant it over the other one I've done. So just follow up. So I'm forming under 4 plates. I'm just arranging it before I secure it with a pin. So now I'll just secure it with a pin. The tie is not that long. If it was long, I would have tied it. So now I'll go to the longer part of the ashoke and drag it to my right hand. Then I'll use to form a plate above my V shape. Just watch what I'm doing. So now I'll start forming my plate from the center, placing it one by one, making sure none overlap each other. Just follow up and enjoy. So I will just take it until I get to the back of her ear. Then I tell the model to help me hold it while I start forming the plates from the center of the hair tie. So I'll arrange the plates and take it to the back. Then at the back, I'll arrange it until I get to the end of the ashoke and secure with my pin or tie. Depends on you and depends on how long your ashoke is. So I properly secured it. Just I'm pinning the pin so it doesn't scatter. So that is it, guys. If you are new here, please subscribe. If you are old, thanks for always coming back. I love you all. So this is just the way it goes. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give it a like, a comment, share with your friends, with your family, and I'll definitely get back to you all. I'm just arranging it to make sure none overlaps, so it can be neat and flawless. So this is it.